大家好，我是陶威利，我是一个电子音乐制作人。
We were looking at the work of different artists at the time of our very first demo when we came across Howie Lee's Natural Disaster. And we immediately thought, wow, that will totally fit with Sifu.
这是我第一次参与游戏的配乐，之前主要是做俱乐部音乐。
It was very experimental and we loved it, so we really hoped that it would be okay to join us on the project.
师傅非常适合我的风格，他结合了传统元素和现代的电子乐。我立即决定要参与这个项目。
We started with an overview of the different levels of the game. Then we defined with Howie the tone and variation of tension for each situation that the players will encounter.
它是一个复仇的故事，所以音乐得营造这么一种感觉，它有点黑暗，然后有很多的打击乐，像很多的 techno 或者 drum and bass 的影响，有一些中国大鼓的鼓。我通过鼓的层次来制造一种张力。这样玩家可以跟上音乐的节奏。比如我会用一种老的弹拨乐器，加一些失真，让声音听起来更深邃。给师傅配乐和我平时做俱乐部音乐区别还是挺大的。这里的音乐不是在时间线上，而是你需要创造适合不同情景的音乐的语速，它们代表了不同的氛围。这些音乐的 loop 可以让玩家与他们有一种交互的关系。
We wanted the music to progress with the player. The music integration work was done hand in hand with the level design team.
我通过音乐创造空间感，我制造出很多张力的层次，再让它们互相变化。
The game is split into 5 very distinctive environments with strong artistic identities. We wanted the music to reflect that. Each level of the game is linked to a traditional Chinese element and a core instrument in the soundtrack.
比如说像金属的元素，我会用一些大锣和像 gamelan 的乐器，像木头的元素有笛子。代表火的部分，我用了一种燃烧的声音。那这种设计一直贯穿了整个的游戏。
Besides the soundtrack composition and integration, we worked with my team on giving a credible sound environment, such as the ambience noises, destruction sounds, or any sounds that the character makes when he moves. We had an unexpected opportunity by working with Benjamin, the Pac-Man master who helped us to design the game. He has an orchestra of traditional percussion instruments for the Lion's Dance, so we asked the professional percussionist to record these drums to use them as a complement in the music, but also in the navigation sound of the game.
这个游戏的设定很有趣，因为它是功夫作为主题的。我觉得音乐和武术非常相似，就是他们都非常讲究呼吸的技巧，他们都是关乎于气的。中文里我们叫做气，它代表一种气的流动，同时也是呼吸的意思。
It was amazing to work with Howie. I'm glad that he chose us for his very first video game, and I'm very satisfied of the results. I hope players will enjoy it as well.
我很高兴参与了这个项目，非常期待大家能听到完整的原声音乐。这是我制作出来的一个最大的一个长片，希望你能够喜欢。